in response to the growing needs of residential and development areas, along with increasing traffic density driven by the rapid growth of Dubai. The Roads and Transport Authority, RTA, has undertaken improvements of entrances and exits of Majan and Al Barari communities leading to Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. After assessing the area's characteristics, traffic volumes and congestion resulting from urban development in Majan and Al Barari, RTA implemented swift traffic solutions to ease traffic and reduce waiting times at the entrances and exits of Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. One of the key traffic solutions involved redirecting vehicle movement from the tunnel to a reversible lane system. This system ensures smooth and efficient traffic flow from Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road to the residential and commercial areas and vice versa. Additionally, a signalised junction was introduced at the entrance to the area, which streamlined traffic flow, reduced congestion and shortened waiting times at the entrance from Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. These traffic enhancements have increased the capacity for vehicular traffic heading to the two communities and reduced the transit time for motorists entering from Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road from 9 minutes to 4.5 minutes during evening peak hours.